Friends, this is our Amazon's dashboard, and in this video I will show you how you can apply for GTIN exemption. So for listing your products, you need to take a GTIN exemption from Amazon. So coming to search bar, I have written over here GTIN exemption. Now a new pop-up window will open, and in this window you need to scroll it down and click on this how to list products that do not have product ID. After clicking this, a new pop-up will open and it will show you how to list the products that not have a product ID, which is UPC, EAN, GAN or ISBN. If you don't have UPC, EAN, JAN or ISBN with you, you need to definitely take a GTIN exemption on Amazon to list new products. After going down, you will find a request approval button. You need to click on request approval and a new pop-up window will open. After that, you need to select a category or in which category you want to sell the products. So mine is t-shirt, so I will click on clothing and accessories. The next option would be what the brand name I want to give. So I will click my brand name is Popstars and I will check for eligibility. That is the brand name available with Amazon or not. Yes. So then the next option would be I need to submit the proofs related to my products. So I will click on continue to submit proof. The next option is they will ask me for do you have a support letter from the brand. So we don't have a support letter, so we need to click on no. The next option would be they will ask us the title of the product name and certain images you need to copy, upload it. I've uploaded 2 images and now I will click on submit request. Within 15 to 20 minutes you will get an email in view your case log. You need to click on view your case log and now see I've received an email from Amazon that your GTIN exemption has been approved for the brand called Popstars. Now you can list as many as products under the brand name Popstars, and this is for exemption for the lifetime. You can add products within 24 hours, and the next option is